Now to the latest trend that's sweeping the internet, the skyrocketing prices for digital art sold as NFTs.
Of a rock, $1.3 million.
That set of 9 CryptoPunk NFTs sold for $17 million. $69 million for an NFT.
This roller coaster ride of like, woo, the highs from the lows.
Is it hype? Is it real? Is it the next best thing? Ready, go.
Love them or hate them, thousands of people have been making millions buying and selling NFTs. Are they a craze? Is it just digital gambling, or do we see real and tangible utility within them? Nobody knows the answer to that question right now, but there's one thing which is certain. The potential for innovation in the space is definitely there. In fact, the most expensive NFT ever sold was the Merge. This was just some weird blob thing which just got bigger and bigger and bigger as you spent more, and in the end it sold for a whopping $91.8 million US. As I said, is it a craze? Was it a gamble? Or was there real utility in that purchase? Now, from the title, thumbnail and introduction of this video, you're probably thinking I've purchased a CryptoPunk. Well, drumroll please. You're wrong. Now, it's important to know that the NFT space has been dominated by Ethereum NFTs, which has seen over $26 billion of sales. And the most notable collections out of this sales figure is CryptoPunks, BoredApeYachtClub, Azuki, CloneX, and even Beeple. But did you know there's a little competitor to the Ethereum NFTs right now? And that little competitor is called Solana, also known as the Ethereum killer. And unlike Ethereum NFTs, Solana NFTs are still early items. In fact, compared to Ethereum's $26 billion worth of sales, Solana has just seen under 3 billion of sales. Think about it, 26 billion, 3 billion. There is a lot of room for growth in the Solana NFT space. Now, incoming the CryptoPunks link that you all have been waiting for. This NFT was inspired by CryptoPunks, which started the crypto art movement when it came to Ethereum NFTs. And this Solana NFT I'm about to show you was the first ever Solana NFT to completely mint out on the Solana blockchain.
Damn!
In fact, this NFT is so deep rooted into the Solana NFT history that when it first minted out, there wasn't even an open marketplace to trade Solana NFTs. OG holders would trade these NFTs over the counter on apps such as Telegram. Imagine how crazy that is. This NFT is so OG that you would have to go on social media and find somebody yourself to buy it. It wasn't as simple as just going onto OpenSea, clicking a button, and then just putting your feet up. But the story gets wilder. This actual issue relating to this NFT I'm about to explain led to the creation of one of the first ever Solana NFT marketplaces. And that marketplace was called Solana Art. That's right, imagine this one NFT project sparked the creation of Solana NFT marketplaces as we know them today. As a result, if you're looking to own a piece of Solana NFT history, the NFT I'm about to explain to you is just a no-brainer. It just mirrors the early story of successful Ethereum NFT projects such as CryptoPunks and CryptoRocks, a slept-on OG project which was overlooked by investors because they didn't understand the historical significance of the project itself. So what is this Solana NFT project called? Alright, can we get a drum roll again? The answer is SolPunks. Just like CryptoPunks, there's 10,000 of them, and they mirror the attributes, skin type, and art styles. However, unlike the Ethereum CryptoPunks, they have a sleeker background which represents the colors of Solana. And in addition to this, you also own the intellectual property rights of them, meaning you could create merch of these art pieces if you wanted to. Now, I currently own 2. I own the Peaky Blinders one, which I use as my profile picture for everything. I absolutely love it, and I think it kind of looks like me, but I'll let you be the judge of that. Then the second one I own is actually Punk 2075, which I haven't named yet, but if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. At the time of recording this video, the floor price sits between 4 to 5 SOL, and that fluctuates, but it's worth around $130. Now, obviously, don't get me wrong, these NFTs can go to zero, and I am prepared for them to go to zero. But at $130 per pop, I'm willing to take a bit of risk. They make a kick-ass profile picture. They're so important to the Solana NFT history And in addition to that, they're just slept on right now. If you think I'm making a mistake or I'm just not seeing something clearly, again, let me know in the comments, but I'll take a risk on this all day long. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, you won't want to miss the following: how HBAR will revolutionize the world. And in addition to that, if you're bored of digital collectibles and want to see some good old-fashioned physical collectibles, why don't you watch this video? You won't believe the soccer card / football card that I pulled. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace out.